The year is 2026, and Chevrolet redefines freedom on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving masterpiece. From the bold front grille, sculpted with Chevy's signature power stance, to the aerodynamic body designed for efficiency and speed, every angle whispers strength. Step inside, and the world changes. The driver's cockpit feels like a futuristic command center, with panoramic digital displays and an AI co-pilot guiding every mile. Behind you, the passenger cabin transforms into pure comfort, sustainable leather, ambient lighting, and smart glass windows that shift from crystal clear to privacy mode with a touch. But don't mistake luxury for weakness. Under the hood lies Chevrolet's next-generation hybrid electric powertrain, delivering raw torque and silent acceleration that conquers highways and mountains alike. This is more than a motorhome, it's a sanctuary, a performance beast, and a glimpse into tomorrow's roads. The Chevrolet 2026 Motorhome, where adventure meets innovation.